Hey guys, what's going on? Just a little short video on how to diagnose an airbag light in your car. I know of two main reasons why an airbag light might be on, especially on an old car like this. The first one being the clock spring. The clock spring's main job is to connect all the electronics inside of your steering wheel to the main car. This includes electronics like steering wheel buttons, your horn, and most importantly, your airbag. The simplest way to diagnose this is if your horn stopped working around the same time that your airbag light turns on. Same thing with if you have steering wheel buttons. If those don't work, then there's your problem. We are now in my car Projectorio. As stated before, if you have a bad clock spring, these buttons will not work. But now we are on to our second reason. This is the passenger airbag off light. And in any old vehicle that has them, like this old Crown Victoria that I'm in, this can potentially be another reason why your airbag light turns on. As you see, this is the old one that I had inside the car. This light bulb is burned out, and when they burned out, the airbag light on the dash will illuminate. To diagnose this, all we're going to do is set the key into the run position. If the light illuminates, then that's not your problem. If it doesn't, then that's your problem. Well, I hope that this short video helped solve some of you guys' problem. As always, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
King of the road.